guys, how are people doing? Happy weekend. How was your week? Mine was quite stressful, but it was okay, just fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like, comment, subscribe. So today, Saturday, this is past 9 a.m. Life of a mom. I have things to do. I have to cook. I have to wash. I have to use my hair. The hair under this wig is wow. So let's see how it goes. Come on, me guys. So guys, when I wait to go and get what we used to cook stew, and with me here I have Obi Keys. So right here, I want to buy tomato. Come with me as we price.
We'll price that. The guy don't know it's in the coin. He just did that the smart coin serious. He's gonna collect. Wow.
How much with these ones? 115. Those ones how much? How much be that one?
2,000.
Eh?
2,000.
Oh, but I think when you call and make you talk to them.
Who you want for? Your brother. Okay. How much you say make you buy him?
No worry. If you're outside, you go. This tomato and this tomato. Sorry. I don't know the difference. What's the difference? Person has this thing. I want to know.
This one now. This one now. This one now. Thick. Make thick and sweet.
Which one the red part? This one.
Laga logo guy aiki. No, I don't say no. That's why yoga. Yo oga nan ka wuce ai na gaida ka daga mu hannu. Wannan me ba su? Tumatur wane manya ko kanana? Ina da kanana, ina da manya. Wannan kanana ya sauki. So if I don't talk, there's nothing you can do about it. Because this one will give them red. What's my head down now? So I'm not the. Yes, I didn't hear him boys like this. I say I know I'm a customer.
3K. This tomato is 3,000 and the pepper is 1,000. That's 4,000. Nigeria, we hail.
Anti-pain now, anti-pain custom. Yeah, sir.
I prefer they call anti-pain.
The pain no reaches right now. The pain now. C for Sinimbu. P.
All my days, I've been held in your hands. From the moment that I wake until I lay my head. Good water from here. She is cold. I will sing of the goodness of God. Rise and fire. Class is not there by this time. There's somebody even doing birthday. This next house. You know them? You know them? You know them? If you don't know them,
shower. People are going to shower. Because you know they do their own, they will come. Can't you? You know. Johnny Papa, Johnny Papa, you come here now. Come on too now. Jolly Papa, Jolly Papa. Yeah, we should go. Want to cook? I'm okay now.
Yes.
Yeah, bye. Who touched Pepe? Dimanche.
Pepe. I've never even just smile.
Oh, our stew is almost ready. I'm not eating breakfast today. Then what is it? What happens, you know? What's it? Have you put that belly? What happened? Who picked that? Have you put that spices? Say what?
It's your mommy. My mommy cleaning. Oh, what happened this food?
Who gave me food? When? Who been at home? Obina! It's okay. Obina! Come and carry your food though.
Hey, give me, Joe.
What should they use play?
That stand will do it for free. Stop it.
My daddy is to do that right.
If I tell your mom what you did now, you don't know say you will cry like
What did she do?
She dey do that. Okay, no. She dey play with that.
Is this rice okay?
This one or this one?
This one.
It's okay, but it will
I know when you remain on my wife.
I go ask for more if I want now. It's okay. Oh, sure.
Yeah, nice. Eh? When are you eating?
Tomorrow evening.
Oh,
She dey always fast for weekends. You parlor room no dey na inside kitchen. Come out there, Joe.
What are you doing?
What are you? Now you go ask you.
What are you doing? I want to play a game.
Where is your spoon?
What are you doing? What are you doing? Auntie Zino.
eating now?
Not to eat.
Where's the man with your food? Go and meet her.